D30 Impact Protection. The technology you see on the screen was discovered quite recently in 1999. It is the result of the work of two British engineers, Dr. Phil Green and Richard Palmer from the University of Hertfordshire. Throughout its 20 years of existence, D30 has revolutionized the market of protective equipment. Today, manufacturers around the world increasingly use it for their inventions. In its normal state, it is an elastic and flexible material. But when subjected to physical force, the properties of D30 change. It becomes incredibly hard and absorbs the impact energy. The experiments with D30 are really impressive. For example, a person's arm is wrapped in this material and then hit with a heavy hammer. Incredibly, the arm remains intact. Also, the impact doesn't deform the material. In addition, the shockwave is distributed over the entire surface, eliminating the chance of feeling pain. Therefore, this material is ideal for creating protection for athletes, military, and other security professions. D30 does not suppress movement while providing optimal protection, even when applied in a thin layer. Today, sports equipment and bulletproof vests are made of this material. Growing robot. This invention was created by specialists from Stanford University. In 2017, a group of engineers showed a special robot that can grow in any direction. The development can be used in a variety of fields, from construction to rescue operations. Basically, this robot is a soft, transparent tube that can be inflated and turned in any direction. Creating soft robots is very difficult, but they can interact safely with a person and reach otherwise inaccessible places. It is noteworthy that the robot can move autonomously. It is equipped with a camera at one of its ends. A special algorithm controls the position of the target and ensures that it is always within sight. In this way, the robot always knows in which direction it should move. The robot can turn by changing the pressure in certain cavities. And interestingly, the air pressure inside the robot is enough to lift up to 70 kilograms. It will be an indispensable assistant in search and rescue operations. The robot's ability to carry things like water or mini sensors to their destination is also very useful. The miniature version of the robot can be used in medicine as a catheter too. Cables for the installation of communication networks can also be placed inside the robot. Traffic stop robot. The police have a duty to stop cars all the time. Typically, police officers approach the driver's door to check his or her documents, putting their own lives in danger. Statistics show that at least 4,000 police officers are attacked each year in such situations. SRI International specialists have found a way to solve this. Their idea is to expose robots to risk instead of people's lives. The robot you see on the screen is specifically designed for situations where a police officer needs to stop a suspicious car. When the car has stopped, instead of approaching himself, the police officer can send the robot. The device is equipped with a camera so that the police and the driver can see each other. The driver can show the documents to the camera, and there's even a special panel for signing documents. The robot is equipped with a printer that can print out the fine if necessary. The device is a metal frame mounted on the police car. To date, it's just a prototype. It was shown just a few weeks ago. However, it is clear that it will be possible to install this device on any car of any brand or model to help as many police officers as possible. Kitty Hawk Flyer. The dream of people being able to fly whenever they want is gradually coming true. Partly because today there is already an existing prototype of a giant multicopter capable of transporting people. Flyer is the creation of the American company Kitty Hawk, created and financed by Google co-founder Larry Page. The single-seater flying device is equipped with 10 electric propeller motors powered by lithium polymer batteries. Flyer is capable of speeding up to 32 km per hour. In this case, with the passenger on board, it rises 3 meters above the ground. The device is made of a high-strength material. It is lightweight, aerodynamic, and waterproof. The developers say that its handling is simple and intuitive, as the system consists of only 2 elements. The frog. When a person tries to lose weight or build muscle, they are faced with the unpleasant fact that they have to repeat the same annoying exercises over and over again. That's why experts around the world are trying to find solutions that offer more variety during training. This is how the frog was invented. It has a very unusual design, so even experienced athletes will learn something new. The device makes you choose between training each muscle group individually or working all the muscles at the same time. The manufacturer points out the large number of modifications, which allows it to be easily adapted to the needs of any user. For example, the kit includes 4.5, 9, 18, and 27 kilogram elastic resistance bands. In this case, up to 3 bands are placed on each side of the device. The cost of the equipment is $1,500. A single person can assemble it easily and quickly without using special tools. Once disassembled, the device takes up virtually no space and fits easily into the bag that comes with it. Matic 240. An automatic street cleaner can save time and money spent when cleaning the streets manually. The Italian company Technological Systems by Moro manufactures these devices. The model shown on the screen is the Matic 240. The equipment is designed to be used by one person. However, the operator's efforts are minimal. Essentially, the device is an electric vacuum cleaner fitted with a recognition system. It allows the machine to see where the operator is and automatically follow him or her. The device is compact and maneuverable, which makes it ideal for working in crowded and narrow spaces. The Matic 240 is capable of collecting both urban and industrial waste. The manufacturer ensures that thanks to the built-in filters, the emission level is minimal. It should be noted that the recognition system not only sees the operator, but also the people around it, which improves the safety of the device. If there's risk of collision, the machine just stops. The speed of the device is 6 km per hour. The continuous operating time doesn't exceed 10 hours. And the waste container has a capacity of 240 litres. Hey, stop being lazy, it's time to use that brain of yours. Welcome to Brain Time. Incredible facts from the past, the present, and even the future. The power of nature and wild animals, amazing facts and unsolved mysteries. You'll find all this and much more here. Subscribe now, you won't regret it.